Meet Ken, Elkay sink expert.
I'm going to show you how to measure a sink to make sure you purchase the right size for your space.
When choosing a new Elkay sink, it's important to make sure the size you select will fit into the new sink base cabinet. You can download a detailed spec sheet from our website with all the dimensions you need. You'll also need to measure the sink from front to back to make sure you have enough countertop space between the sink and the backsplash to install a faucet and accessories. Before removing your old sink, measure its overall dimensions, left to right and front to back. You'll also want to measure the depth of the bowl. Once you've removed your old sink, measure the length and width of the cutout. Measure the corner radius to make sure the corners of the new sink will cover the corners cut out of your countertop. If your base cabinet has a tip-out tray, make sure the bowl of your new sink will not interfere with the tray's function.
And that's it.
Thanks, Ken.
Elkay, ingenuity for everyday life.